welcome to another one of my videos. Right now I'm going to be focused on mostly garden content, but here I am unboxing a collapsible rain barrel from Home Depot. So I'm cutting open the box, grabbing out all the contents of the box, trying not to show Okay, so this right here is the actual rain barrel itself, that the part that the water is going to sit in, like the reservoir part. And I'm pulling out, let's see, okay, I was pulling out other stuff. I didn't really show it on camera. There we go. We got all the pieces there. It's not much. As you can see, if you see me talking, it's probably to my sister. But she saw I was doing a video and just kept talking with me. But yeah, that's the instructions.
Home Depot.
The instructions weren't that good, but I kind of figured it out. Luckily, I remember what it looked like on the picture.
Frame of it. Well, not frame, but
so yeah. And lots of flies and mosquitoes outside, so you're gonna see me fanning a lot. Now here I am showing y'all how big sort of the reservoir is while fighting flies, fighting for my freaking life, and putting together the spigot piece that we're gonna use to get the water out.
It's not showing you what part to put where. It's just saying put this.
I'm talking, I'm putting it together, looking at the instructions at the same time. If you see smoke, it's probably because my sister's smoking a cigarette around me, or my auntie is getting her fire barrel going.
Yes, my own person. Having to clue.
Still talking. Here goes my boyfriend. He comes and asks me, why didn't you ask me to help?
Whatever this is.
I didn't want to bother him at the time. Because I'm a big girl. I can do stuff myself sometimes. There it is, right there.
Now we gotta.
So boom, I put the spigots and stuff on. And eventually he's going to take over and put the framing of it together so it can sit up on its own. You see that little greenhouse in the background, y'all? We put that together like a week and a half ago, and
3 pictures.
So proud of it. Okay, so here he is smoking, and he's putting the framing around the top. I wasn't sure how to do it because, again, the pictures and stuff wasn't that great. And he's doing it like a boss, like a G. He's helped me so far along the way since we've been doing this gardening thing together. He has his own garden at home, but I'm trying to get mine together. But it's hard for me to get mine together because of our son. And see how fast he's doing it? Like, come on now. Get y'all a man in y'all life. Whether it's your dad, your uncle, your brother, whoever. And so I just went in and started smoking too. I'm like, fuck it. But hold on, I'm gonna come back. Alright, so he's getting all of the pieces together to put
so these were the
framing around the bucket, and this is the instructions.
Showing you
I'm gonna tell y'all the instructions were fucking shit.
Frame up the top.
I'm sorry, I'm supposed to to the back. But yeah, look how vague they were. They didn't tell you step by step, do this, do this, do this.
Bullshit.
It was just like, yeah.
But
I'm more of a pictures girl. Just show me the pictures.
We got it together.
Unless it's a book.
A little mesh part like I showed y'all earlier. There's the spigot.
So yeah, this is my rain barrel. Looking good. What y'all think though?
Here's a little.
And it's collapsible. Like it's nothing concrete because we are gonna move. So I'd rather get something temporary until I'm ready for something real. And here we are showing the greenhouse before we added the rest of the plants and repotted more plants and stuff. But yeah, this is the greenhouse. A little mini tour. We are going to be adding a fan because it's really freaking hot in there, even if you're only in there for 2 seconds and stuff. The plants are thriving in there since we moved them. They were thriving even before, but I think it looks really good. I'm having trouble with my seedlings, but I think it'll be okay. Hope y'all finish watching the video and like it. Bye.
Oh no, my cucumbers. No.
But yeah, we're having a little trouble in here with some stuff. Oh, snap, look at my garlic. Yeah, we working with something here, though. We working with something.